If you want to make the viral Dubai dream cake, follow this recipe and you can make it at home. Very easy to follow steps. First thing, I have 150 grams of dark chocolate that I'm gonna melt with a little bit of cream. And then I'm gonna go ahead and make my mousse. I use the rest of the cream, 250 ml, with a little bit of icing sugar. And I'm just gonna mix them together until thick. After that, I'm gonna add the chocolate that I melted before with the cream. And there you have your mousse. For the base of the cake, I used just any chocolate cake you like. You can use any. I put a little bit of milk and chocolate on top of it just to make it more moist. After that, I'm gonna add my delicious mousse. Cover all the cake with it. And then put it in the fridge to chill for a bit. For my chocolate sauce, I'm using the condensed milk. It's 2-ingredient sauce and it's absolutely delicious. You can use it for anything you like. The condensed milk, I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And just mix it together and you can have a very easy chocolate sauce that you can use with anything. You can use it with this cake, you can use it with any cake, you can use it with your ice cream. Then we're gonna put it on a piping bag and just cover the mousse with it. And again, put it in the fridge to chill again. And we're gonna melt 150 grams of chocolate, just normal chocolate, milk chocolate, and then we're gonna put it again in a piping bag and cover the chocolate sauce with it and put it to chill. And for the last step, we're gonna need some cocoa powder. Just add a little bit of cocoa powder and there you have it, your viral Dubai dream cake. Thank you for watching.